rain, but it looks like I still, let's see. I'm gonna set that there. I'm opening up my blood meal, and I'm going to fertilize my straw bales, water my plants, and see what's going on. This is blood meal. It just kind of looks like, I don't know, sand or ground up charcoal or something. And you sprinkle it on the bale, and then you use water, half a cup today. There's this whole schedule. I found it, I can't remember which one. I could post it, extension. Here, this is what it looks like before. Let's see if I can get on a good angle. Can you see that black stuff on there? That is the blood meal on there. And then I take the hose and soak it in. I am just watering it until the water comes out the sides and all of the blood meal gets soaked in. Do that today and tomorrow, and then switch down to 1/4 of a cup. It should be getting pretty close by then. Like another week, I think. So I'm just gonna do this. It won't take me very long. It looks like each time I do it, it takes a little less time because, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit more. I'm gonna try just out of curiosity. I'm gonna put my hand in there. Yeah, it's very wet in there. Like, I don't know. I mean, it kind of like mud because it's not liquid, it's solid because it's hay, but sort of like a sponge maybe. So anyway, that's the update. Here's my dogs. I think they're a little less interested. Oh no, Bo's peeing on it. Don't pee on it, Bo. I like the blood meal so far, and I don't know, it's interesting anyway. I'm gonna keep all the videos and put them all together once it's all done, whether it works, doesn't work, we'll see. I think I have a good spot for the sunshine. I would say if you're from this area, I got the straw bales from the Blythewood feed store. They're like half the price of Tractor Supply, and that's where I got the blood meal too. And they had bone meal also, which is another option. Also, I would just like to say that my plants here are getting bigger, like they're growing in these little pots. I am wondering if they're going to be too big to put in here by the time the bales are ready. So we will find out. If so, I'll just put those in big plants and put new ones. So I'll either have these in potted plants, or I'll be able to transfer them in. And if I can't transfer them in, I'll just put in the smaller ones. So I watered it for 3 days just with water. And then I put, yesterday and today, a half a cup of blood meal on each one. And I'll do that again tomorrow. And then for 3 days after that, I'll do a 1/4 cup. And then I think it starts to get hot. I just put my hand inside the other one to see it's not hot yet. But it is wet and kind of feels like a sponge. And then it starts to get hot. And then it goes through a cycle and cools down, and then you can plant. I'm trying to train Bo not to eat the water when I'm watering. Bo, sit. 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 Okay. No. Let's see if he doesn't do it. No. Ah. No. No. Good boy. No. Okay, over here. Okay. So I'm trying to train him. Sit. Sit. Let's see. Okay. Go ahead. Good boy. Okay, sit. Sit. No. Good boy. He's starting to learn not to get the water there, but he wants it. Okay, are you ready? Okay. There! I'm a dog trainer. No, I'm not. He just almost tipped over the whole bale. For a second, I was a dog trainer. Anyway, you guys, have a great day. I love y'all. I'll come back in tomorrow or in another couple days and let you see what's going on. Bye. Have a good day.